and we know he's going to be back at some point. But until then, we want to wish him all the best, and we want to give him some love and support. So in a way, this is a little bit like, in a fantasy world, it would be like all of the, it's a bit like, also like a bit like not a soft, loving, giving kind of car wash that he's going to go through. And there may be some people whispering stuff in his ear. There may be some people doing some things physically, you know, doing something tender and nice. By the time he goes through, he's gone on this journey and has experienced something from us that gives him to say thank you, and it reminds him to hold all of that stuff that he's got from us on the journey. So he will just pass through the sort of car wash or whatever the thing is, and when he's there in your vicinity,
3.5 minutes,
you can just say something, whisper some words. You can do something. I'm sure he's fine with touch.
Just don't
you know
touch his bar leg.
Don't touch his bar leg. Yeah, but you know what I mean. And something to, you know, whatever, a hug or whatever it may be. You just do what you need to do. Allow other people to have that moment. So just come a little bit closer.
Okay.
Just come a little bit closer.
Yeah, you
See, in your own time.
Should we do that? Should we do this?
Let whatever happen, you're coming through.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
May the book be with you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. It's so strange.
I know what's happening with the money. How am I going to pay? We're not here. Stop us about that.
You know, you're lucky to be the short one now. Come back.
Short one. He's shorter than Keith. Come on.
Keep the love in your heart shining bright.
Welcome to
One back from the team, coming back.
Invaluable support for the whole group. I personally feel very, very, very grateful for what you've brought to the group. I feel very emotional about your departure when I think about everything that you've really, really done for everybody. I wish you tenfold in so far as the thriving that you want for yourself and everybody that you love.
Thank you. Hi. Yeah, welcome, hello. It's the first time we've meeting, but I'm sure we'll meet again. Thank you.
What happens in Soho stays in Soho.
Roger, it's been a pleasure working with you.
It's been brief and it's been a pleasure for me.
Thank you for everything done for the BMC, just for the show, yeah, with your directions and everything. Thank you very much. Thank you. Welcome, new member. Thank you as well for everything to do with the show and stuff. Thank you, yeah. And
No, it's not really.
no.
I'm sure you're blessed. Your journey, I think you're more than worthy. And no matter what they say about the height, you should be wearing the top hat. You should be wearing that top hat, your top hat. Yeah? All the best, yeah? And don't leave it for too long. Do come back.
Let's make an arch so Keith can walk through it.
Yeah.
Make the arch. So we'll walk through it. Or rather, sorry. Let's take a Max Headroom.
I will miss everyone, even the jokes and everything. It's it's just not easy, but I've got to just do what I've got to do. And this is temporary. I will be back. I miss the BMC, like losing a leg. But just at the moment, I've got to just focus on my well-being and like I said, just need to recharge my batteries.
Anytime, come and check us on WhatsApp. There we are.
But for you guys,
God bless you.
will be missed by me, and thank you everybody, including you, Tony.
You're still going to bring the food though, right?
Yeah, you're still gonna bring the food though every Monday. Yeah.
You,
Thank you.
you're in charge.
Thank you.